Say goodbye to the M3. RIP. Chelsea's car is officially totaled, guys. All right, just finished the exhaust. Going to lower it down right now and do the first startup. Sounds good. All wet. 2.5 inches, 3 inches of water. All right, so as you guys can see, I'm kind of a different setting. I'm actually at my parents' house in New York. But before we kind of close out this video, I wanted to say, hope everyone had an awesome holiday, spent some time with good friends and family. So that being said and out of the way, it's been about a week since Chelsea's car was flooded, I guess, for lack of a better term, taken away in that flash flood. And we have been back and forth with insurance, and we just heard, literally 2 days ago, that the car has been deemed a total loss by insurance. Now, this can go a number of different ways. If you've never totaled a car, basically what happens is they will deem your car a total loss if the value of the damage, I believe, is more than 50%. I think that's what it is. If the value to repair that car is more than 50% of the value of that car, based on what Kelley Blue Book or just the actual value of the car, they will deem it a total loss. And what they will do is they will take the car, they will sell it at an auction, and they will give you a fair market value for the car. Now, that being said, you also have the ability and the option to purchase that car back from insurance with a salvage title. So that's why I wanted to kind of talk with you guys and get a little bit of your opinion and insight. I know there's a lot of our viewers who are experts, and I want to kind of ask for your help and your guidance on this. We just got the notification from them. They have deemed this car a total loss, and the value that they put on the car to buy it back is $8,900. And typically, in my understanding, when they total a car, they usually give you an estimate. Say, this is how much it costs to repair, and this is the reason why we're totaling it. For a flood, my understanding is that they don't have to do that. The adjuster or the insurance person basically said, this car has been involved in a flood. We're not going to do any estimation. So whether or not the car has a hydrolocked engine, or it's just some electronics that are busted or faulty or whatever, or is it just a fuse that's preventing the car from starting or whatever, I don't know. So to me, that's scary. And in most cases, especially with an accident, you can look at a car, you can say, okay, it needs a new front bumper, it needs a new radiator support, it needs a radiator, headlight. Like, it's very easy to calculate how much it's going to cost to repair something. But with the flood and the way that they've handled it so far, it seems like a big risk to me. So if the engine is hydrolocked, the motor's worth basically nothing, maybe $1,000, maybe $2,000 at the very most. If the motor's fine and it's just wiring and ECU stuff, the $8,900 seems like a pretty good deal. But as I said, the biggest challenge that I have is that it's unknown. And although I know, the suspension is in good shape, the brakes are in good shape, the exterior is in good shape on the car, if the engine, drivetrain, electronics are fried, that $8,900 is very expensive, in my opinion. I would much rather buy a car that has a crashed front end or rear end, because not only is it easier to understand, it just seems a lot less risky. But I want to ask you guys, if you've ever repaired a flood damaged car, please chime in below. Do you guys think that's a good deal? It's a 2010 E93 M3. Has 70,000 miles. White, Alpine white with a black leather interior. Honestly, the car was in excellent condition. But 8,900 bucks to me seems expensive. So it kind of sucks. I really love that car. I would love to drive that car, you know, daily, but I'm not sure that's gonna pan out that way. So for those of you guys who have sent me DMs or sent throtl DMs and messages about this situation and all of the supporting stuff, it makes a big difference, and I really appreciate anyone who's reached out, offered to support. I had people offering to help clean and you know, help with the house and all this stuff, which is, it's really amazing. The throtl family is strong. I love you guys. Please comment down below if you have any feedback for me. It definitely would help. So we have to make our decision quite quickly. If you want to see us rebuild this on the channel, let us know as well. I think that's pretty much all I have. Last announcement is the RX-8 is going to be given away very soon. So please, if you're interested in maybe winning that car and also learning a lot more about throtlVIP and all the amazing stuff, please go check it out. That's it. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you. Peace out.